A chance to etch your name in folklore. Who's it going to be? Only 2 teams left in the battle for the FA Cup. There can be just one winner. It's Tottenham Hotspur. They face Manchester United, and it's live on EA TV. At long last, the wait is over. A warm welcome to Wembley. This is Derek Ray, joined in the commentary box by Stuart Robson, and we're approaching kick-off time in what promises to be a spectacular FA Cup final. It is Tottenham Hotspur taking on Manchester United.
Well, Derek, as a youngster growing up, this was the day that every young footballer dreamt of. Playing in the FA Cup final, walking out in front of 100,000 fans at Wembley, broadcast around the world, it still brings a tingle to my spine. And I'm really looking forward to this one.
Spurs will go with this starting 11.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
Here's the lineup for Manchester United. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Bruno Fernandes plays with Rodrigo Bentancur in the centre of midfield. And the focal point in attack today, Marcus Rashford.
Thank you for attending Wembley Stadium. Enjoy the game.
And the game begins. Bentancur. Incapié. Hartman. A struggle to keep the ball for Spurs. Pedro Porro. Brennan Johnson. Well, a really good run. Good play for a Spurs throw-in. It's opening up for them. Firing it in. Oh my goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. Over it comes, not away completely. High pressing and good high pressing. Well, this could really help the cause. A tremendous block. Well, there's been a lot of interest in the newspapers and on social media about Ben Davies, and the reports have been confirmed. He has decided to end what's been a brilliant career at the end of this season. A huge loss for the club, you've got to say, Stuart.
Well, what a player he's been, and still is. But he obviously thinks his body can't cope anymore, which is a great shame. They're certainly going to miss him here.
Joelinton. Viktor Tsigankov. And given away. Incapié. Erdmedin Demirovic. Piero Incapié. Rashford. Very quick thinking there. The danger here as he runs at them. Crossing possibilities. Now, just the kind of save every goalkeeper would expect to make. Incumbent upon the referee to stop play so that treatments can be administered. And so play will be restarted by means of a drop ball. Can he find the right pass? Totteham. On to Estupinian. Well, that one has promise. What a commitment to defending. And there's the delivery. Well, he couldn't get the header on the target, but you've got to give credit to the defending. FUMA. Brennan Johnson. They have space here, Tottenham, in an attacking sense. And will the cross work out for them? Well, sadly, a bit of a tame effort, that one, and far too close to the goalkeeper. And he has options available. Well, good idea, but just a little bit too much on the ball. Pedro Porro. Ramos. And in the perfect position to read it. Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately, and a throw-in to come. It is a decent-looking attack here. And let's give credit to the defending. Rashford. Can they jump in front? Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper.
Well, that could prove to be a massive moment in the game. Just when it looked as though United were going to take the lead, the goalkeeper has produced a wonderful save.
Well, now they've got to concentrate on keeping the door locked. A Spurs free kick it's going to be. And a friendly reminder that we have more action from the Premier League coming up. It's Tottenham Hotspur facing Southampton.
What a game that will be. Two good teams in a great stadium. I'm really looking forward to that one.
Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
That ball looks promising. Rashford. And they have possession again. Pedro Porro. Viktor Tsigankov. Determined defending. He has teammates around him. He's in with a chance. And the keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger.
Well, in terms of chances, Spurs have been the better team, but they need to press home their advantage here.
FUMA. Went in strongly, decisively. Bernardin Demirovic. became a teammate. Oh, blocked it! Well, clattered away. And a Tottenham Hotspur free kick coming up. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Aston Villa.
That looks a really entertaining game. Two good teams with two excellent coaches. I can't wait for that one to come round.
This looks promising. Real chance. Oh, it's in! Spurs have struck first in the final. And how significant could that be in the grand scheme of things here?
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal. Well, he knows that could prove to be a massive goal. Just look at his reaction.
One 1-0 then. Totteham. Estupinian. Piero Incapié. Pervis Estupinian. A tremendous vision. Could be. Oh, it is! The equaliser in this final. What next in the drama?
Well, here's another look, and you can see what a good finish this is. He holds off the defender brilliantly and keeps his composure. That's a great goal. Well, they needed that, and so did he. Just look at the manager's relief there.
So in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Johnson. It's with Porro. Mount. Looking for someone to play it to. Strong hand on the ball. And Tottenham will get the throw-in. Berlinci Hartmann. Crossing possibilities. And the referee's whistle. We've reached the halfway point here at Wembley Stadium. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Mount.
quickly to that shot.
Well, the referee deciding to let the play flow, but now it will be a booking, Stuart.
Well, as soon as the ball went dead, he was always going to book him, and he's absolutely right to do so.
Let's see about the delivery. Well, capable of a better clearance than that. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. And he has options available. And the keeper can gather. Viktor Tsigankov. Ramos. Will it happen for them? High jump in front. And the keeper more than equal to the task. And a corner for Tottenham could be useful as they try to take the lead. Who's going to get on the end of it? Well, it still could be dangerous. Nice looking move, this. Can he open them up here? Oh, surely! And that's a very good pass. Oh, could be. Strong hand on that one.
Spurs have controlled the last 15 minutes and they're playing really well and creating chances. It's surely only a matter of time before they take the lead here.
And he's in an offside position. Throw in to Manchester United. There to take it away. Unable to get himself back on side here.
Well, he was always going to be offside. That was the wrong option.
Marcus Rashford. An effective challenge. Well, that's one for them to pursue. Kulinchi Hartmann. Ramos. Yves Bissouma has it. Well, we're into the final half hour. Viktor Tsigankov. Well, that's a fine-looking pass. And a rare piece of defending.
Well, the fans are going mad here. They think that was a penalty.
That's a good ball. A Spurs free kick it's going to be. Spurs to make a personnel switch now. James Maddison. Ramos. Mickey van de Ven. Johnson. And it's United's turn now. It's going to be United's free kick. And a change for Spurs at this juncture. Incapié. And now with Estupinian. Gyökeres. And that is offside. And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Mount. Mount. Still passing it around with authority. Supporters want to see him have a go. Can he take the chance? Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. Favouring the short one. And the cross into the middle. And well positioned to clear. Just the challenge that was required. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. And the keeper there to catch it under no real pressure. Wasn't a great piece of passing. And a decent save, full credit. Just 15 minutes remaining. Really getting stuck in. What to like about that pass? Danger averted. James Maddison. And the upshot of that is offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
Decent looking pass. And he read it well. Mount. Pedro Porro. And a Tottenham Hotspur free kick coming up. Mount. And they deal with the threat this time. They've given it away. Gulinchi Hartmann. Spurs still on the attack with the minutes ticking away. Can they find a winner? And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. Well, the referee won't be quite as lenient next time. Got to tread more carefully. Estupinian. Possibilities inside the box. And it was pretty straightforward for the goalkeeper. Mickey van de Ven. You don't want to give the ball away there. Williams. And here now come Tottenham. A goal at this late stage could settle the issue. Must take the lead here. Couldn't grab hold of it. Well, it comes to nothing in the end. Victor Gyökeres. Ermedin Demirovic. And a strong tackle. He doesn't have to do it on his own. Given away by Manchester United. And the referee has deemed that an additional 4 minutes are in order. And snuffed out the danger immediately. strength to shield the ball. This could settle it. Well, he didn't miss by very much at all. Here's a change for Manchester United. Bruno Fernandes has it. What a shame, really, because the move was promising, but no end product from them. Well, that's it for the 90 minutes, but this is not over, and two 15-minute periods of extra time to come.
Substitution for Tottenham Hotspur. Coming off the pitch.
Well, the ball rolling again here. The first period of extra time, and you've got to wonder to what extent fatigue will play a part in this now. It's been an extremely competitive 90 minutes. United could get in behind the defence. Well, let's see about the cross. Clearance needed to be better. In fairness, it wasn't the best of headers. Pavard. Mickey van de Ven. Pedro Porro. Ramos. Spurs pushing forward with options available. Blasted away. Maybe a chance for Spurs here to take the lead from a corner. Over it comes. Not away completely. Mickey van de Ven. Quilinci Hartmann. And Pavard on the ball. And they have possession again. This looks more than decent. Well, defending always has to be a team effort. Good piece of covering. Teammates available. Oh, that's an interesting pass. What to do, the goalkeeper. Pedro Porro. Pavard with it. An effective challenge. Well, sloppy from both sides, you have to say. Pavard. Good challenge, and he skips past his man. And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. First period of extra time completed. 15 minutes left, and then it's a penalty shootout. Well, the big question, who will come out on top? We're into the second period of extra time here. Right towards the near post. Might have made life difficult for the keeper, but that's a strong punch. James Maddison. Pavard with it. Can't miss, surely! Well, you've got to give him credit for that piece of defending. Well, let's get more details on the injury situation from our pitchside reporter, Jeff Shreves.
From down here, it looked as though he landed actually on top of his elbow. That's why he's in so much discomfort, and that's why, of course, the bench are so concerned.
Cheers, Jeff. And will the cross work out for them? Well, able to survive that attacking push. The Red Devils have lost the ball. It is still level, but Spurs on the attack. Can they break the parity? Lovely tempo to this passing sequence. Pavard. It's with Porro. Bissouma. And still on the lookout for the goal that could be so important at this juncture. Under pressure, doesn't seem to be bothering him. Well, that's the end of that move for now. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Lenght. Clinical counter-attack. And so close to a goal.
Well, that's exactly what they're looking to do. Force the turnover and then break at pace. So close to a very good goal.
Davis. Well, he's given us away. Good ball over the top. Useful play, delivering it into the box. Appeared to be in two minds. No defensive resilience there. A final that will live long in the memory. It's not finished yet because it's going to come down to a penalty shootout to settle the outcome. And this will test the mentality of any footballer. He's gambled on direction and won. He had to score, and he does. Well, it's all about keeping a cool head. Goalkeeper beaten from the spot. And it's gone in. Clinical as always, in front of goal. Job done from the spot. And the penalty converted here. And he's beaten the keeper. Almost intolerable pressure. And he finds the net. He could hardly miss. Well, it's quite straightforward. Score, and it's over. And there it is! That brings it to a conclusion, and a contrast in emotions. One team joyful, the other absolutely devastated.
Well, what drama, what scenes, and what a good finish to this game. It really has been exhilarating.
Well, in football, you don't forget these moments in a hurry. Due reward for their persistence and their overall excellence.
Well, it really has been engrossing today. Such a tight game, but you have to feel sorry for the losers. They were so close, but yet so far away.
And the party mood has enveloped the stadium. It's going to be quite the night of celebration here. And now they prepare to walk together in anticipation of the trophy presentation.
Well, it's now just beginning to sink in. They are the winners of this great cup.
Any second now, they'll be able to hold it aloft. All congratulating each other, and rightly so. The sweet taste of success. And they don't want to let go of that trophy, do they?
Absolutely not. They've worked so hard to win this trophy. They've been brilliant throughout the tournament. Been a top-class performance from them and their fans.
And I'll tell you what, Stuart, it doesn't get any better than being able to savour a triumph like this with your own fans.
And I have to say, these fans have been brilliant as well. They've made so much noise. They've been magnificent.
And now the players get to relax a bit and enjoy having the pictures taken.
Well, these photos will be cherished for years to come, won't they? Certainly ones to show the grandchildren.
And the game begins. Firing it in. My goodness, that save, fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. And there's the delivery. Well, he couldn't get the header on the target, but you've got to give... Real chance. Could be. Oh, a goal it is! The equaliser in this final. What next in the drama? This could settle it. Well, he didn't miss by very much at all. Not a very good challenge, and he skips past his man. And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. Fernandes. And the game begins. Oh, tremendous vision. Could be. Oh, a goal it is! The equaliser in this final. What next in the drama?